Hey everybody, John Leonetti here, speaking in Missouri. It's also snowing and that's not fair. Anyway, just got back from the gym. Can you tell? Had a quick thought for you this morning, all right? Quick thought. So anyone who works out knows that heavy weight plus bad form is just a recipe for disaster. So it's tempting when you go to the gym to want to lift really heavy weight, right? Thinking that's what's going to make you stronger. But often when that happens, bad form comes in, just kind of defeats the point and increases your risk of injury as well. So the overlap here in the spiritual life I was thinking about this morning at the gym, at least for me, happens when I'm lifting a pretty heavy spiritual weight, my rosary. And I don't know about you, but the temptation for me when I pray the rosary, it's just to get it done. You know, I want that feeling of accomplishment after I've prayed my rosary. You know, I got it done. I prayed my rosary for the day. And I think often or we miss out on the point when this happens of this very powerful prayer altogether. It's just bad form. So if this is you as well, maybe you're a beginner here like me, I want you to try something new, all right? Rather than just say a fast rosary, I want you to start by praying a slow decade of the rosary. Just one decade, one Our Father, one Hail Mary, one Glory Be, one mystery for the day. And I want you to take as long as you normally would with a whole rosary with just that one decade of the rosary. Praying the Hail Mary slowly, meditating longer than usual on that beautiful mystery. See, I think our Lord would rather us pray 10 slow, prayerful Hail Marys than just 10 fast, just get it done rosaries. That's my thought for today, friends. Pray for me and I'll be praying for you. God bless you.